You did a search on Google, do you have to pay federal taxes? And I'd like to answer that question and provide some other information that'll be helpful with you or to you along that line. My encouragement is watch this entire video and click on the link or box at the end and right below the video to get additional information and specifics on exactly how to do that. Hi, my name is Tom Williams, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful Rocky Mountains of Colorado. I'm 70 years old. I was born just before the baby boomer generation, and I've got 5 wonderful grandchildren, and there's so much pleasure. And having the freedom and the time to spend with them and the money to travel and take them places and do special things with them is really a fun thing to do. And that's kind of what I coach and teach people to do, and have done that now for 40 years. I've traveled all over the United States, and Linda and I have traveled all over the world with groups of people that are entrepreneurs and like-minded people. And we met some months ago a group of gentlemen that have just been fantastic in sharing with us some of the things that they've learned about internet marketing and other things. So the fact is that you want to pay your taxes, and you want to be in a position where you need to pay your taxes, because that means you made a profit, and you always want to be making a profit. So have a small home-based business, structure it correctly, make sure you put first things first. But you can make today the last day that you ever have to worry about money in your life, and I would encourage you to find out how to do that. And below this video, there's a link or there's a box that you can click on and find out exactly what I'm doing to be able to accomplish that. And I feel so lucky. You know, one of the things my dad taught me as a young person is life is like a spider spinning a web. The bigger the web the spider spins, the more prey they catch. And he said, life is like that, son. The more people you meet and the more contacts you develop, the bigger of a web you have, and the more opportunity flows your way through that web. And that certainly is true. So I encourage you, treasure and take advantage of all contacts that you have in your life, and always be creating new ones, because that creates new opportunity. So click on the link or the box below this video and find out exactly what you can do to make that a part of your daily life and a part of your daily routine, and enjoy the fruits and the benefits of it. I hope you'll join us on another presentation that we do in the near future. But in the meantime, make it a fabulous day.